The divisional bench of Rajasthan High Court will hear the petition of 19 Congress MLAs including Sachin Pilot today. In this, the notice of the Assembly Speaker for disqualification has been challenged by the MLAs. The matter will be heard at around 1 p.m. today. At the same time, the MLAs have time till 1 p.m. to present their reply in the Assembly as well. Legislators may be disqualified by the Speaker for not responding. The Sachin Pilot faction has to present the reply in the Assembly by 1 p.m. on Friday. The Assembly Speaker sent a notice to him and the supporting legislators asking why they did not attend the two Congress legislature party meetings that were arranged to discuss the division. Harish Salve is representing on behalf of the Pilot faction. Sachin Pilot's lawyer Mukul Rohatgi will also join online. At the same time, Abhishek Manu Singhvi will represent the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker. The Congress party today held a press conference outside a Fairmont hotel where Congress MLAs are lodged on Friday after the audio of horse trading in Rajasthan was exposed. Party spokesperson Randeep Surjewala, State Congress President Govind Singh Dotsara were present for the press conference. Surjewala said that the audio tapes prove BJP was trying to buy the loyalty of MLAs for Rs 25 to 35 crores. He said that the role of BJP leaders in this is under suspicion. From the tapes which have come out yesterday evening and till date, one thing is clear that the BJP attempted to topple the Gehlot government and buy the MLAs of the Congress party. He also said that instead of fighting coronavirus, the BJP is engaged in gaining power, and this was also done in Madhya Pradesh earlier. The Rajasthan political crisis has taken an interesting turn with BJP ally MP Hanuman Beniwal accusing BJPs Vasundhara Raje of supporting Ashok Gehlot by calling legislators of the Congress party. Beniwal's party, Rashtriya Lok Tantra Party, is in alliance with the BJP and has 2 seats in Rajasthan Assembly. He tweeted that Vasundhara Raje has phoned MLAs close to her in Rajasthan Congress to support Ashok Gehlot government. Vasundhara herself has asked the Jat MLAs of Sikar and Nagaur district to distance themselves from Sachin Pilot. We have strong evidence for this. Vasundhara Raje was supposed to come to Jaipur for a party meeting on Wednesday, but she did not arrive. Due to this, factionalism is also seen in the BJP camp. India recorded 10 lakh coronavirus cases, a single-day spike of more than 34,000 fresh infections and 687 deaths, which is the biggest one-day jump. Now, this is what the figures from the Union Health Ministry said this morning. Over 6.35 lakh people and 63.34% of the patients have recovered. With the cases surging, lockdowns are being reimposed in several parts of the country after the easing of restrictions in recent weeks as officials hoped the outbreak was under control. Maharashtra continues to report the highest number of cases, which is followed by Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Telangana. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh arrived in Leh on Friday on a day-long visit to carry out a comprehensive review of the security scenario in the region in wake of the border row with China. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General M.M. Naravne are accompanying Rajnath Singh on the visit. Rajnath Singh is set to visit Stakna and Lukung forward areas. His trip comes days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid a surprise visit to Ladakh on July 3rd, during which he also addressed the troops.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.